Got here, MALOSSI. That sounds good, huh? What do we have got here? MALOSSI. Ooh, that's the Earth, that's the sun. So the sun is sunrise, isn't that cool? It is MALOSSI forcemaster 2. Oh, of course, sticker. That's important. The manual. And let's open up. Fancy schmancy. Something to clamp. Four maps. High, mid, low. That's to change the mixture, make it richer. Plastic. Okay. What about the cables? That will be ground. TPS. Let's see. This looks like the injection pump. And this. Oh, and there's another one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 connectors. There we go. So it's for 125 and for 300 the manual. SH and Scoopy. Oh, that's the wrong one. 125. That's the right one. So what have we got here? The blue one is nothing. The orange is coil, it says. The yellow one is the TPS. Black one is the ground, the minus. And these are the injectors. Okay. Let's check it out. We just connected every cable. And now it says, if we turn on the ignition, the modules should show a green light. Shall we try? Ignition on. Green looks good, doesn't it? So before you start driving, you should do the TPS calibration. It says on, off, full throttle, low trimmer to 0, high trimmer to red, then off, And turn on again and it should be green. Let's try. Whoops. Let's do the initial setting. It says turn the ignition key to the on position. Zack. We did it. Wait for all 3 LEDs to illuminate and then wait to turn them off. Turn the ignition key to the off position. Rotate the low trimmer to the 0 position. The low to the 0. It is 0. Rotate the high trimmer to the red arrow position. Low, low, mid, high. Let's turn this. No. Down, that's the red arrow. Down. Turn the throttle to the full open position. Ooh, I need a third hand. So, full throttle. Wait for all 3 LEDs to illuminate and then wait for them to turn off. And then turn the ignition key to the off position. We can do that. So we have full throttle. Tuck. Now we turn it off. No full throttle again. And then rotate the high trimmer to the 0 position. There we go. And now it says, yeah, that was it. Shall we try starting? This sounds good, doesn't it? Forcemaster. Let's wrap it up.
beast!